want to share with you guys this house that I received from the company. I have a 3-year-old and she is absolutely all about this. Right now we have it inside our house, but we will be putting it outside. I love that there's so many different features to it to keep them occupied. There's a ring toss on top, there's a net to play soccer, as well as a basketball hoop. So it definitely occupies them. Oh, and the dartboard in different ways to keep them really busy and not just the imaginative play of a playhouse, but it's also that. It's great for all different weather. It's pretty snowy here in the winter time, and we're able to leave it outside, and it's fine. You can see it was outside for a while, but we brought it in, and it looks really good still. I love the colors. Super cute. It's made out of this like plastic material, again, like really durable, nice material. It's a great size. So I have a 3-year-old. She can fit in there perfectly fine. Let's see how it also, my 9-year-old can go in and out of it, but he can't stand straight up in it anymore. But I love it. It has this like little mailbox. Definitely pick this up if you're looking for a really cute playhouse for indoor outdoor that's going to last and keep them busy for different activities and isn't going to get like warm because it's wood. Really happy with this product and super excited that we have it.